your girl J Baby, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today's video is going to be on Sam's Beauty Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Wig, 100% premium fiber. And the name of the wig is Celeste, I think, and it's in a number 1. This is what she looks like right here. This the hairstyle here, which is a middle part, well, side part. You also can do a middle part. This is HD lace right here, and it says what lace, hairline, illusion lace wig. And on here you have the stock card. You have the different, the difference between one lace and another one, and you have what it looks like, the specs and all of that other stuff. On here you have also the features. This feature right here of this wig that I have on is a 13 by 6 ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand tied lace. So we talking about it's really far back. We have a comb here, a comb here, comb in the back, and we have elastic band. The curls is phenomenal. And in the beginning of this video, in the video you'll see that I combed and combed and combed with a paddle brush, and this hair did not tangle on me at all. So that's what you call a beautiful wig. I did not put no foundation in, and I did not do any plucking whatsoever. I like it the way that it is, so I'm not going to pluck at all in the video. My thing is honey, that this is the number 1. This is some diva hair right here, and she is fierce. So I'm going to just stop talking, and if you would like to see how I got this look, what I did with her, even rounded out my baby hairs. Girl, I like the little round out baby hair thing. I went around like that, okay? I didn't want it just swoop. I want it around. Oh. Anyway, y'all, if you like this hairstyle and you would like to know how I got it, then keep on watching. All right, let's get into the specs. It's the features is 13 by 6 ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand tied lace, pre-plucked natural density, undetectable flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline, pre-customized unit, protective style, no leave out necessary. So it's pre-plucked. This is where you can see the pre-plucked at. This is where you can see the pre-plucked at. Okay, guys, I am done with my finished look. This is my finished look. I feel so glammed in this wig. I feel so beautiful. And I learned a new way that I like to swoop my hair, guys. I like it where it's like more in a circle going around up that way. I think that is so gorgeous on me. Look at this hair. Let me stand up that way you guys be able to see. This hair is so beautiful, so fluffy, so gorgeous, so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. I love this. I had my straightening comb ready. I had my edge booster, my everything, and it seemed like the only thing I used was just the got to be gel. That's it. That's it. Styling gel. That's it for this hairstyle. She's sitting up by herself, honey. She is gorgeous. She is really nice and soft. I already showed you guys that I went through her with the comb. You can actually go through her with the comb and there's no tangling going on. Okay. I don't know what they're doing with this, but honey, let me ask you a question. What lace? What lace? Can you tell me what lace? Look at her. I'm up close in your face. I'm not going to put on any what is it called? Foundation or anything in my scalp. I'm not using that because, well, I probably could if I really want to, but I'm not going to. I like it the way that it is. Everybody knows it's a wig, y'all. Come on now. But she's gorgeous. So, this is Celeste's wig, and she's from Sam's Beauty. Cloud 9 Swiss lace, 100% premium fiber, wet lace, hairline illusion lace wig. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope I wasn't too long, but y'all know I had to kind of like finesse her, honey, finesse her. She is so gorgeous, and I will have some pictures for you guys on Instagram. That way you would see her entirely, how, you know, she looked in pictures, and, you know, because I'm sitting right now, but you will get a chance to see her fully on Instagram. So, you know, like your girl says, be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.